Hey everybody, it's me Laura. This is LP Hair. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I'm going to be sharing with you guys an attempt at shaving my own undercut with a fade. So normally I do 0 the whole way for both sides underneath, but I'm going to try to switch it up a little bit. So I'm going to do a little bit of like a 0 up to a 1. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and let me know. I do videos every Monday on my hair and other stuff. So yeah, or like, comment, and let's go. So I've already done this side. I attempted it earlier just to kind of see if I could do it, but it's the easy side. Now I'm going to attempt to do this side, which is the hard side. So I'm going to be fading, like I said, from around a 0 up to a 1, probably a little bit longer than a 1 up by the edges, because I'm going to honestly just not try that hard to get all the way up into the top edges, since it's going to just be a little bit harder if I do that. So I'm going to leave it, and then it'll be faded even more than a 1. So kind of making my life easier at the same time as getting a nice style. So go up, getting all my hair clipped over to the side, and I've got my 1 guard on, and I'm just going to start shaving here. And I'm going to do it in like a little arc all the way down like that and get it close up to the line, but not totally. Here I go. Oh yeah, and I already started a little bit right there just to make sure I have the right length. So. And as I get up to where I want to start fading it, instead of sticking this like right up against my head, I'm going to start like arcing out like that. Boop, boop. And now I'm just going to move this up a little bit so that it's like a 1 1/4, 1 1/2 to continue the fade. Sweet. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take my 1 off, and then I'm going to take my clippers here, and I'm going to move this up. Now mine move up a full 1 step, 3 millimeters, so this is technically a number 1 when I have this all the way up, but I'm just going to put it down a little bit so it's more like a half, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to just do this a little bit lower. Like going almost up to the line that I made last time, but not quite. And then I'm going to put this down just a little bit more almost down to the very bottom. And shave up again, pretty high up. And then putting it all the way down to finish it up. Looks pretty sweet. Now I'm just gonna go and just soften up that top line just a little bit by putting my one back on and raising it all the way up to like a level 2, which I'm guessing is around what that top line is. And now I'm just gonna try to slightly soften it. That's how I look. Witnessing the first time I'm really trying to fade my own hair. This is hard. Anyway, this is how it looks there. This is kind of nice with the faded, just a cute little faded corners in there. And then if I put it up, then you see the darkness. What do you guys think? Do you like this? Do you like it more or less than you like the zero? Like, I'm just discovering this look for myself the first time. So, I don't know. I think that maybe this is not really worth the effort and that maybe it's gonna be better just having the zero. But I want you guys to be the judge. Please tell me what you think. Do you like this better or do you like just my plain bald undercut? If you haven't seen that one, go back. Few videos of mine, bald undercut. That's been like my normal for a little bit. So please let me know. I'm very interested in this. Thank you for watching this. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit subscribe. I'm Laura from LP Hair. I do videos every single Monday sharing about my life and my hair. So please come back. Bye.